Is it normal for a tankless hot water heater to have fluctuating water temperatures?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to delve into the world of tankless hot water heaters. One common question that many users ask is it normal for a tankless hot water heater to have fluctuating water temperatures? In this video, we will get to the bottom of this issue and help you understand your tankless water heater better.
What are tankless hot water heaters?
Before we dive into the question, let's first briefly explain what tankless hot water heaters are. Unlike traditional water heaters, tankless heaters, also known as demand-type or instantaneous water heaters, provide hot water only as it's needed. They don't produce the standby energy losses associated with storage water heaters, which can save you money.
Is temperature fluctuation normal in tankless water heaters?
So, back to the burning question. Is temperature fluctuation normal in tankless water heaters? The short answer is, it shouldn't be. Generally, tankless hot water heaters should provide a steady output of hot water at the set temperature. However, fluctuations can happen under certain circumstances.
Why might temperature fluctuations happen?
There could be several reasons for these fluctuations, including 1. Overloading. If too many appliances or fixtures are demanding hot water at the same time, this can overwhelm your tankless water heater, resulting in fluctuating temperatures. 2. Inconsistent water pressure. Inconsistent incoming water pressure can also lead to temperature fluctuations. 3. Groundwater temperature. The temperature of incoming water may fluctuate due to seasonal changes affecting groundwater temperature. 4. Technical issues. Problems such as a malfunctioning thermostat, a dirty heat exchanger, or a blocked vent could also be causing the temperature fluctuations.
How can you fix temperature fluctuations?
If you're experiencing temperature fluctuations with your tankless hot water heater, here are some possible solutions. 1. Manage your hot water use. Avoid overloading the system by using too many appliances at once. 2. Check your water pressure. If water pressure is inconsistent, you might need a pressure balancing valve. 3. Seasonal adjustments. Adjust the temperature settings based on the incoming water temperature, which may change seasonally. 4. Professional help. If the issue persists, it's best to get professional help to inspect your system for any technical issues. In conclusion, while temperature fluctuation in tankless water heaters is not a normal occurrence, it can happen under certain circumstances. Identifying the potential causes can help you rectify the situation, ensuring you have a reliable supply of hot water when you need it. If you're in doubt, always seek professional help. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.